The announcement came earlier this week of the FIFA Under-17 and Under-20 World Cup tournaments being cancelled due to the COVID pandemic. So an entire cohort of players between 16 and 19 across the world will miss out on the developmental opportunity of playing at least one cycle of age group international football. This same group of players in Jamaica, around the region, and around the world in this crucial stage of their development, who have been inactive for almost an entire year. Now, this big gap in their development will be detrimental for what might yet become that entire generation of young footballers. And remember now, we still don't have no idea of when, if ever, the world of football will get back to normal. So with club football and international football continuing, it is then reasonable to assume that these cancellations of these big international tournaments could result in a major fallout on the production line of the next generation of football superstars. Some talent will be lost completely, and for sure, the general quality of the world's player pool will diminish over time. And you don't know the entire domino effect. So sad. Yes. You understand the domino effect? You understand? Yes. And the 6 clubs we are talking. The domino effect.